Welcome back. I'm going to take you through some purchases that I have made. I've been after a Dulcitone for quite a while now, and maybe like buses, instead of one appearing, a few have appeared at once. So let's have a quick look and see what we've come up with. So this is the first one. This is a mahogany one, and it's also the triangle shape one. Inside, I've took the action out. We've got plenty of tines in there. It's looking fairly tidy. It's going to need a good clean up and loads of felts replacing, but it'd be nice to get this one singing again soon. Let's see what these tines sound like. That's going to be pretty fun. So next up we've got an oak triangular shape one, and this one looks to be in a better condition but still needs a bit of work. But yeah, we're going to have to take this apart, kind of give it a good overhaul, but I really quite like it. I've been after one of these for so long and just rarely come up. I think there was about 2,000 made approximately, and they have travelled all across the globe, so it does make sense why you don't see them that often. Next up we've got a mahogany one in a square case. This is missing some parts such as hammers, and it's going to take a bit more work to get this one going, but there is still a lot there. I'm still confident we'll be able to get a usable instrument out of this. And then finally we've got another square shaped one, but this time in oak. So what really interests me about these pianos is it really is one of the first stepping stones towards an electric piano. This is credited as being an inspiration for the Fender Rhodes, and reading some of the literature around them, you can really see it. So like when these were made, there was claims such as these never go out of tune, and when we look inside we can see the tuning forks, and we can see they've got a weight you kind of slide up and down to tune it. So the actual tuning mechanism of a Fender Rhodes has existed for many years. These pianos are from like the 1860s to 1910, so it's really interesting. But yeah, once more, this one needs a little bit of an overhaul. But you can hear that bell-like Fender Rhodes tone. I wonder how different that would have been when these were released. Would it have blown people's minds? I think another similarity between the Fender Rhodes is how simple the action is. So we have a key with a jack, and then it simply presses against this hammer, and that would hit a tuning fork. There's a lot in common with the Fender Rhodes. Now the Fender Rhodes piano actually hits upwards, where this hits downwards, which is rather rare for a piano. So one thing I'm interested in doing with these is, while they're not fully working, there's some interesting noises that they make, and I really think it'd be quite good to sample them. How cool is that? Obviously you don't want it to do that all the time, but it would be nice if a VST instrument he had random noises like that put in. So one interesting thing about these is the way the dampers work. So on the front of the keys there's these little pads, and then these just lift the dampers up. It's pretty simple. But But yeah, these are going to take a lot of work, so if you're interested in following that, let me know and I can put some follow-up videos on that. But that's going to keep me busy for a while. So if you've never heard this instrument, let me know what you think of it. And yeah, till next time.